guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is 7 kinds of cheesecake using one recipe, or I should say 7 flavors of cheesecake. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Using pestle and mortar or rolling pin or food processor, we're gonna make crumbs out of 6 peanut cookies. Now we're gonna melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and then we're gonna mix it with our peanut cookies crumbs and press it onto our cheesecake pan like so. Now we're gonna press it onto our cheesecake pan. You want a spring form pan when you make cheesecake, so it's gonna be easier to release the cheesecake once it's baked and cooled or chilled overnight in the fridge. Just press it on your spring form pan, making it the bottom or the crust of the cheesecake. For the other flavor, mix honey graham crumbs with unsalted butter, and that will be our cheesecake crust for the other flavor instead the peanut butter flavor. Do the same, just press it as a crust onto your cheesecake pan. 2 blocks of cream cheese. This is 250 grams each with 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence.
After all the turmoil, what the heck, the world slowed down a bit for me. School was fine. I even enjoyed my classes.
Mix it until smooth and creamy. Scrape the side and bring it to center, and then cream it again.
I had to go to the market.
Crack in 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and we're gonna mix it again. Scrape side and bring it to center and cream it again. Beat in 1/2 cup of sour cream and 3/4 cup of evaporated milk gradually. Once done mixed, we're gonna divide this batter and flavor it with whatever you like: raspberry jam, peanut butter, marmalade. So again, or Nutella, whichever you want. This one is the cheesecake batter with peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. Just mix it. Fill up the cavities or put it on top of the crust. Pumpkin pie filling, and we're gonna add a little bit of allspice. Put it onto the crust as well with raspberry jam. So this is raspberry jam, this is lemon marmalade, and these are Horlick and chocolate chips, and these are cranberry, and this is sour cherry. Now bake it on preheated 300 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out, cover it with aluminum foil, and bake it to another 30 to 40 minutes. Cool on rack and chill overnight.